Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more exciting updates. Um, ever wondered what could have been if Green Arrow and the Canaries had actually taken flight? And picture this: three versions of Black Canary teaming up with a surprising twist involving a familiar face from the DC TV universe. Elena Huffman, known for her roles in Supernatural and Smallville, once pitched herself as a third Black Canary for the spinoff. Imagine her reprising Dinah Lance from Smallville, adding a multiverse twist to the mix. The backdoor pilot for Green Arrow and the Canaries already featured Juliana Harkavy's Dinah Drake, Katie Cassidy's Laurel Lance, and Catherine McNamara's Mia Smoke. Huffman's inclusion would have brought Earth 167 into the fold, blending past and future. Huffman envisioned her character as the then mother of the Canaries, mentoring the younger heroes from behind the scenes. This dynamic could have opened doors for more Smallville crossovers, even if Clark Kent had hung up his cape. Sadly, the spinoff was scrapped, leaving fans with unresolved plot threads and unanswered questions. The Arrowverse wrapped up with the Flash's final season, leaving this potential gem buried in the annals of TV history. Um, it's almost poetic. Three Black Canaries could have been a charm, but instead, we're left wondering what might have been, being this, and at least we can joke that even the multiverse couldn't save this project. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm at it.